Well, a major vote in the state Senate today could determine if Californians will pay more taxes in the new year.
Two new tax proposals are part of the ongoing budget discussion for California's 2026 to 2027 spending plan.
ABC 10 State Matters political reporter Jenny Huh has been tracking this debate and has more tonight.
The Assembly already voted for these proposals on Monday. The Senate also voted yes this morning, advancing conversations with the governor for a final three-party budget deal.
That measure passes.
Partisan divide on the California Senate floor Thursday morning as senators voted on new tax increases.
That is responsible budgeting. This is part of it. I respectfully ask for an aye vote.
It will be a huge mistake. I urge a no vote.
Two major tax proposals now advancing along party lines.
Beginning January 1st, Californians will be paying higher taxes under these bills.
The first, a renewal of the state's managed care organization or MCO tax. It's a tax on Medi-Cal and commercial health plans. California has historically charged Medi-Cal providers more as those funds were matched nearly 1-to-1 by the federal government. But under new federal rules, the tax rate must be equal for private and public insurers.
The charge is on the health plan, but it's possible for costs to be passed along to consumers.
That's the main opposition. Higher taxes on private plans mean higher costs for Californians. $8.85 more per enrollee per month, the legislature estimates.
They say that two things are certain in life: death and taxes. However, Californians are being taxed to death.
Any tax increase has an impact on California's cost of living.
The second proposal, a new software as a service tax, extending the state sales tax on digital and software products like Microsoft Office and Slack. California's base sales tax rate is 7.25%. Local jurisdictions can add their own taxes.
Whether you get the product from the store or you download it is all going to be subject to an additional roughly 10% tax.
Democrats arguing other states have already adopted this digital age tax, but Republicans counter.
People used to earn a living. Payroll software, inventory systems.
Another component of this bill would extend the current tax credit cap on businesses from 2027 to 2030, then would set a permanent cap of $5 million or 70%, whichever is greater.
A permanent credit limitation will ensure that the largest profitable corporations in California pay a reasonable minimum level of tax.
Democrats arguing even if it means additional taxes, these new revenue sources are critical amid looming federal funding cuts.
We cannot live just on day-to-day stock market gains by the AI companies. We have to have a stable tax system in this state.
Again, with the legislature's yes vote, budget discussions now advance to a three-party budget deal with the governor that must be finalized by the end of this month. Chris, Laura.
All right, Jenny Huh, thank you.